Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, and I've done this analysis several times before. That's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But first, I'm going to do is just get rid of a couple of lines here, do some house cleaning. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first level and the first big dynamic that occurred today was the price broke down below this former very solid area of support right here at 130. And then this is what brings about a key level to watch moving forward. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 130 definitely now going to be that main area where if the price does continue to try to consolidate out and then eventually work its way back upwards, that 130 mark is definitely the big question mark in this, in the sense of, all right, yeah, the price is bounced, but is there any sort of true power behind the bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And, 130 is a great way to answer that question because, I mean, if the price goes up there and then just blast up through it, well, at that point, yeah, all right, it does look like the bounce has quite a bit of genuine strength. But if the price gets up there and kind of just tiptoes around, at that point, it'd be a whole lot shakier in terms of whether or not that sort of bounce has any sort of genuine strength. So from that angle, 130 can be, very helpful. Now, as far as levels of support, let's squeeze down the chart to offer a bit more context. First area of support is just simply nothing fancy at all. Where did the bleeding stop today? And that was right up here at about 125.30. So 125.30 is definitely that near-term area. But if that level can't quite hold up, then the next key level of support would then be right around the 124.30 mark. So this is more so about a dollar resistance, or excuse me, a dollar support zone, meaning from 125.30 down to 124.30 is going to be the general area that you would want to see hold strong. If it doesn't quite hold, then at that point it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then head down there and revisit that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average. But overall, those are going to be the main levels to watch going forward, but we'll see if this one can try to get turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.